Hello everybody, I am the Craftacular creator and today I am sharing a process video for Veggie Happy pop-up card. It has been so long since I've made a platform pop-up card and it set the perfect scene for my gardening mice growing their vegetables. Before I begin, I would like to ask you to get clicky for Vicki. This is my own catchy way of asking you to like, share, comment and subscribe. For this card I used Lawn Fawn Berry Special, Veggie Happy, Garden Before and Afters, the Platform Pop-Up Die, the Platform Pop-Up Picket Fence Add-on, Craft Cardstock, Wood Grain Cardstock in white, and Shabby Shutters Distress Oxide ink. I begin creating this card by ink blending Shabby Shutters Distress Oxide onto the picket fence panels that I die cut off screen. I knew I wanted a vintage feel to my vegetable garden and this colour was perfect. I die cut all the pieces for the platform pop-up and here you will see that all the pieces are scored and ready with 1/4 inch double-sided tape. I insert the first T-shaped piece into the slot and pull it snug and then fold the tab with the sticky tape underneath. Peel off the backing paper and secure it. Then I take the wider tab, peel off the backing paper and fold this next to the next area. I repeat this process twice. Next, I push one assembled piece down and attach double-sided tape to the middle section. I peel off the backing paper and add the final T-shaped piece. This is the one with the bottom section trimmed off. I apply tape to this too. I take the other flattened platform piece and match it together with the first. The backing paper of the tape is then peeled off and they stick together. Finally, I join the final tab and it makes the platform pop up. I make the fence into one continuous piece and though I did not include this in the video, I attached it onto the craft platform with double-sided tape. Next, I add the die cut hillsides to the tops of the T-pieces using a 1/8 inch double-sided tape. Here I share my top tip of stamping a lot of images at once from the same stamp set. I take the whole sheet of stamps to the back of the Misty door, line up the cardstock, ready for stamping, ink it up, close the door, and then I repeat this process for a couple of sheets. With the images stamped, it's time to colour. So much colouring. Please feel free to watch and enjoy this sped up process, or alternatively, skip to the next chapter where I start to assemble the pop-up platform. Often I will not buy the coordinating dies for stamp sets as I enjoy fussy cutting. The dies in this set would cut lines in the soil patches, but I have a craft knife and a cutting mat which does a pretty good job. I use a tape runner for the back of the image and start to insert the vegetables. I then use the same tape runner to add this to the platform insert. This process is repeated until I have filled the 3 heel sides with images. I want to add signposts to my vegetable garden, and so I stamp each vegetable name onto the signpost and then attach these into their corresponding patches. I then squash the platform down flat to add the tiny images, like the worms for example. Time to decorate the base. I cut a fancy border in craft cardstock as I thought this would mimic some raw soil to add the plants to. I measure this against the base and make tick marks to see where I need to score. I use a scoreboard and a bone folder to do the scoring. I do this twice and add both pieces using a tape runner. I then rub out the tick marks. Now I can add even more images. I pre-assembled these with tape runner and then attach them. I cut a small stitched panel for the sentiments and did a little stamp surgery as I wanted my sentiment to be on 2 lines. I stamped "Wishing you a happy day" on the panel in black ink and attached it to the front. Then I stamped the word "Veggie" in Shabby Shutters ink and attached this just above the other sentiment so that it reads "Wishing you a veggie happy day." Finally, I added the speech bubble which reads "Today is Veggie Special" and a tiny heart speech bubble to the side panels. You will see these in the final images. I use all the speech bubbles stamp set for this. And there you have it, a platform pop-up with lots of mice and veggies. I love the extra oomph that a platform pop-up gives and how easy they are to put together. This card was inspired by episode 206 of Craft Roulette. The parameters can be seen on the screen. It is a card project with a heart. The colours are vintage, English vegetable garden. We have many vegetable plants and the lace on the base mimics extra soil. With mention of Craft Roulette and parameters, I have included a slide of what it's all about and hope, if you haven't already, subscribe to the YouTube Craft Roulette channel. It's so much fun. Thank you so much for watching and please remember to get clicky for Vicky. It would mean the world to me. Ta-ta for now everyone, take care and I'll be back soon.